Hi friends, today we will learn 20 amazing four-wheel vehicles together. We will see cars, dump trucks, school buses, and many more cool vehicles. Car.
A car helps people travel every day. Cars can drive fast on roads. Car.
Taxi.
A taxi takes passengers to different places. You can call a taxi in the city. Taxi.
Police car.
A police car helps police officers protect people. It has flashing lights and a loud siren. Police car.
Ambulance.
An ambulance takes sick people to the hospital. It moves quickly in emergencies. Ambulance.
Fire truck.
A fire truck helps firefighters put out fires. It carries water and ladders. Fire truck.
School bus.
A school bus takes children to school safely. It is usually yellow. School bus.
Pickup truck.
A pickup truck carries heavy things in the back. It is strong and useful. Pickup truck.
Garbage truck.
A garbage truck collects trash from homes. It helps keep cities clean. Garbage truck.
Cement mixer truck.
A cement mixer truck mixes concrete while driving. It helps build roads and buildings. Cement mixer truck.
Tow truck.
A tow truck pulls broken cars. It helps drivers on the road. Tow truck.
Delivery van.
A delivery van brings packages to homes. It carries boxes and goods. Delivery van.
Ice cream truck.
An ice cream truck sells tasty ice cream. Kids love hearing its music. Ice cream truck.
Monster truck.
A monster truck has giant wheels. It can crush small cars in shows. Monster truck.
Racing car.
A racing car drives very fast on racetracks. It is built for speed. Racing car.
Tractor.
A tractor helps farmers work on farms. It can pull heavy machines. Tractor.
Quad bike.
A quad bike can drive on rough roads and mud. People use it for outdoor adventures. Quad bike.
Golf cart.
A golf cart carries people around golf courses. It is small and quiet. Golf cart.
Dump truck.
A dump truck carries sand, dirt, and rocks. It can unload materials by lifting its back. Dump truck.
Street sweeper truck.
A street sweeper truck cleans roads and streets. It uses big brushes to pick up dirt. Street sweeper truck.
Forklift.
A forklift lifts heavy boxes in warehouses. It helps workers move goods safely. Forklift.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. See you.